Hello, and welcome to day 3, Wednesday, May 12th. Let's see what you have to do for today. It's a Wednesday. That means it's an async day. We will not meet together on Zoom as a class. However, I do have office hours from 7 to 8. I will be doing a mini lesson on paraphrasing. A lot of people seem to have some issues with paraphrasing, so I would like to review that and I will be having conversation. Also, DC Library will have speaking from 6 to 8. Here is a Zoom link, and you can, if you prefer to talk to other people. So let's see what you have to do for your async assignment. You have two assignments in async. The first is a Dear Wanda activity. Remember, it is a Google Doc. So you need to sign into Carlos Rosario email first, then come back to Schoology, click My Document, connect, and then click Edit. So make sure you read all the directions and please double check spelling and grammar. So you're going to read these three letters and give Wanda some some advice. And in your book on page 68 and 69, you can see some examples. All right. That's it. And then you'll submit. And our next async activity is listening practice. So you'll do listening for conflict resolutions 1 and 2 in Mel. And that's it for today. Good luck.